Hello everyone, today I'll show you 3 settings that affect your battery life and concern your Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and your SUV. The settings are very simple, but a little hidden. Not everyone can find them or notice them, well, not knowing where to go, of course. Support this video with a like, subscribe to the channel, and share with your friends. What do these settings do? When your Bluetooth isn't working, well, you think it's not working, it's actually on, and it's searching for absolutely every device nearby. Wi-Fi, for example, is on right now, but if I turn it off, it will also search for all devices. Location will also be activated, even if it's off. That's why you're walking down the street, searching for all these devices, and your battery is simply melting before your eyes. This is a useless search that no one needs if, say, you need something, like I need to connect to a Wi-Fi hotspot. I turned on Wi-Fi and connected. Constantly searching for something, trying to connect to something else, and transmitting something is just a waste of your battery. Look where you need to go. Find your default settings. Here we go. First, go to the section called Google. Go to All Services. And then, Find Device. And here we use the Find Device service. Disable it. Here, confirm if you have a password, and it will be disabled. Why is this setting useless? Because it interacts with your GPS, but only if you manually enable it. If you turn off your phone and your GPS was disabled, then, well, this setting is useless, but it's constantly on, and it tries to connect to all the resources on the phone. So what's the point? Anyway, let's move on. Go back and exit these settings. And here, find your location. Then go to Geolocation. And here's where you can find Wi-Fi networks. Allow apps and services to search for Wi-Fi networks, even when Wi-Fi is turned off. There's nothing really hidden here. Everything is written exactly as it should be. Even if your Wi-Fi is turned off, it will still silently search for all nearby devices. But you know how many Wi-Fi networks there are around. It also searches for Bluetooth devices. Just like everyone has fitness trackers, smartwatches, wireless headphones, and Bluetooth is always on in all of them. Just walking down the street, you can find so many Bluetooth devices that you'd be shocked. And again, it's not working when turned off, but it's actually searching for everything. In short, we turn it off and save battery. Support this video with a like, subscribe to the channel, and share with your friends.